Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining on another podcast episode. Today we are going to discuss five secret steps that I wish my senior has told me when I was in my first year. Before that, these are my own personal views, and I don't wish to offend any person or any organizations. Without any further delay, let's get started. This is Summer, and you are listening to the episode number 10 of the Summer Show podcast. The first step is never blindly believe on what everyone said. Because common mistake what we do is we blindly believe it on our seniors. But the reality is they don't know what to do. Okay. And long story short, don't make your senior your idols. Okay. Take advice from all your seniors, then do what you want. This is my point. Believe what feels right for you. First thing is never blindly believe on what everyone said. Yeah. Now moving forward to the second tip. Second tip is your profile matters a lot. Make your online presence on different social media platforms. Like you can build your good profile on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is the best platform for students, because you will get opportunities, you will get you can also get mentorship, jobs, and many more things. Make your strong online presence or build your personal brand on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or you can use YouTube. Now, the third tip that I want to share is certificates and trophies do not matter for a longer run. Like what happened is in this era, everyone started their courses and they are selling the courses in a nominal charge for the sake of certificates, and people are so excited that they will get certificates and that's it. But I just want to share with you that enjoy the process of learning. Don't focus on certificates, because certificate will not help you in your interviews. They will ask ki हाँ तुमने किया क्या है, what are the project they have built. So long story short, what you can do is CV with a real two awards or certificates is much better than the 10 fake certificates of different courses that you build. And focus on project part. Don't go for certificates. And कोई भी तुम कोशिश करते हो, focus on the process of learning, whatever you learn from this, and build any project from that learning. Okay. If you are learning React, so learn it properly from any courses, then start building your own projects and show this and host it on your GitHub or show this on your GitHub. So these are the different platforms you can do. So third point is trophies and certificates do not matter for a longer run. Now coming back to the fourth part. Fourth part is off-campus jobs are still exist. Most of my friends are from the tier 3 colleges, and you can also know that कि tier 3 colleges में good college अच्छे placements नहीं आते, मतलब on campus placements नहीं आते. So what you can do is you can apply for off campus, because there are lots of amazing opportunities for off campus. So what you can do is just go to any company website, and there is a career page. Okay, there is a career option where you can find job as per your skill set. So what you can do is just go to any company page which you want to work with them, and just go and check the career ki are there any positions available for related to my skill set. If yes, then start applying for this. So for this you have to build your resume, which is very important. So you can go to the career page and start applying. Second is to crack any off campus, you can find jobs on LinkedIn. Go for referrals, ask for referrals to any employee which is currently working on that, and just ask ki, I also want to work with this company, so please forward my resume. Ask for any referrals. So these are the things. or you can check and you can on the notification, like कोई भी company का notification है on LinkedIn पे, you can just on it, so that whenever any open positions are available, you get a mail कि हाँ, these companies has some open positions, so you can apply for this. So yeah, off campus jobs are still exist. So this is the fourth point. And the fifth and the final point is your health is your wealth. Okay, this is the very important point, because your physical and your mental health is the most precious thing that you have. Nothing comes above your health. And spend good amount of time on your diet, health, and your mind, because your physical and your mental health are very important. For physical health, what you can do is you just go to a park for 1 hour and just do some physical activities. And for the mental health, you can do a 15 minutes meditation, and this will very helpful and it give relief from toxic toxic thoughts and toxic things. So this is very important. So go for a 15-minute meditation and do some physical workout. So your first priority should be your mind, second priority is your physical body, and third priority is everything else. Because you can get your money back, you can fix your problem, you can also fix your grades, but if you lose your mind or your body, no one can fix for you. So yeah, only you can ruin your mind, and only you can fix it. So please take care of yourself and spend good amount of time with your family and your friends, and make sure to enjoy your college life, because you will never know when you will get this time back. Okay, and yeah, so thank you so much for listening this episode towards the end, and make sure to share this video with all your friends and hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Bye.